Minnesota seniors are frustrated by the lack of information from the Department of Health on when they'll get the coronavirus vaccine. This comes as neighboring states like North Dakota have already begun vaccinating people over 75. Carolyn Cummings has more from the state capitol.
We're both having issues understanding why the Minnesota Department of Health is failing us so dramatically.
Some of Minnesota's seniors and their caregivers say they're frustrated. They aren't getting more information about when they can get vaccinated and how to go about doing that. 73-year-old Stillwater resident Joyce Lindgren told a Minnesota Senate committee Wednesday that she even turned to her health care provider for answers, but they didn't have any more information to share.
And I cannot believe that the state, and one of the largest medical facilities in the state, has not been planning for vaccinating the next groups.
Today, more than 155,000 Minnesotans who fall under the first tier of Phase 1 have had at least one dose of vaccine. That's about 3% of the total population. The rollout has been slower than anticipated, and now the federal government recommends states open up vaccine to more people to speed up the process and ensure no doses languish unused. Under the new guidance, people over 65 and adults with underlying health conditions would be eligible. That would be 2 million more Minnesotans and 4 times more than the 500,000 people in Phase 1A.
We're not going to be even through 1A before the expansion is expected to happen.
Minnesota Department of Health Commissioner Jan Malcolm says there's still a lot of unknowns. Officials say this new guidance came without warning and there still is nothing in writing, so they're trying to manage expectations.
One of the advantages of opening up to broader groups of people is it's simpler to understand, and there's less question about who falls in what group if it's age-based and health condition-based. The problem is just the population has expanded hugely and the vaccine supply has not, at least not yet.
At the Capitol, Caroline Cummings, WCCO 4 News.
We contacted Clay County Public Health to see when seniors in our area can get vaccinated. They say they don't know. They're still waiting for guidance and additional doses from the state. Another coronavirus vaccine is in the works. Data from early trials show that Johnson & Johnson's vaccine appears to be safe and generates an immune response. The trials included more than 800 adults, some of whom were 65 and older. They either received a high or low dose of the single-shot vaccine or a placebo. While 90% of the vaccine group developed antibodies by day 29, every participant had them by day 57. The vaccine was found to be safe and with no significant side effects.